Today on this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at the Raceface Turbine 35 handlebar. This is a new 35mm bar clamp handlebar from Raceface, and it's a pretty nice looking setup. So the 35mm handlebar is actually available in a few different formats. So you can actually get this in a flat, a 20mm rise, or this one, which is a 10mm rise, which you can actually see it's got space between where your hands go on the side and the center of the bar. And so that makes for this to be a pretty comfortable handlebar. Now, the 10mm rise version of this handlebar is going to have sort of a design for cross-country or trail riding. So it is an aluminum bar. You can actually see that it's going to be tapered in design, and then it's going to have an 8-degree rearward sweep. So the sweep of the bar, you can see, kind of comes back 8 degrees, and then it's going to have an upward sweep of 5 degrees. So you're going to get a pretty nice comfortable position with this, and it's actually going to be 760 millimeters wide. Now, one thing that I do like about these bars for sure is the fact that on the end you're actually going to have markings, so that way you know where to cut, and that's going to match on both sides. So you can get this set up and mounted up really well. Now, these come in a few colors. I've of course chosen the green one here because it's going to match up with a bicycle of mine. But now that we've taken a look at the handlebar, let's go ahead, place it on a scale, and we'll see what it weighs in at. So this handlebar is going to come in and weigh 268 grams, which is just about exactly what they said at 270. Well, thanks for watching this video on the Raceface Turbine handlebar. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video.